Okay, so today the market is showing a very good reaction just when it is above our main inflection points. In fact, it is an excellent technical move, which makes the idea of a bearish reversal more unlikely while strengthening the uptrend over here, the previous uptrend. So in this video, we're gonna analyze our stocks and see what to expect next. If you don't know me, well, my name is Nathan. It's a pleasure to see you guys over here. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, where you receive unbiased analysis every single day. No guesswork, no gut feelings, no assumptions. Here we only work with facts, technique, and strategies. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. Now, as we can see here, SPY is materializing a very good, meaningful bullish reaction above our critical inflection point. Today's reaction, trying to break yesterday's high, could be seen as a possible above the stomach candlestick pattern, which is a quite reliable bullish candlestick pattern that works more often than not. In fact, this bullish reaction over here is very good because it is above a double support area. Above, first, the 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average over here, and above the 565, the previous top level, which is acting as a support level right now, following the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Now, this reaction above this inflection point suggests that yes, SPY is still bullish, it is maintaining the bullish bias, and it is rejecting the possibility of a bearish reaction right here, right now. And if you allow me to use this word, I'm gonna tell you guys that as long as we stay above this double inflection point, we are in a relatively safe situation, all right? Again, if you allow me to use this word in this context, because only by losing this double support level, we're gonna actually trigger a meaningful reversal on the daily chart and possibly a pullback on the weekly chart back to the 21-week EMA over here, our next support level, all right? So far, apparently, the situation is still under control over here on SPY. Similarly, we see the QQQ trading above its double support level, above the 21-day EMA, above the 476. However, here the situation is a little bit more complicated because we have two resistance levels above the price. The first one, and the most dangerous one in my humble opinion, is the 593, because this key point over here is a gap target. It was a gap from July 17, all right, a previous support level which did act as a resistance level with an astonishing precision over here on September 26. Therefore, this resistance level is going to be quite problematic for the QQQ, is still a quite problematic key point for the QQQ. So we gotta break the 493 as soon as possible in order to materialize a good bullish chart structure known as bullish pivot point. By making a higher high, higher low, by breaking the previous high, we're gonna trigger a bullish pivot point, suggesting that we could seek the all-time high next. Possibly we could break the all-time high next, because the momentum will be very good. Because so far, apparently we are still in a sideways correction, all right? I know, we described the idea of a possible head and shoulders chart pattern over here on the QQQ and on the SPY as well, all right? I don't know if you guys can see this head and shoulders clearly, but it is here, all right? There is still the possibility of a head and shoulders. Today's reaction make this head and shoulders more unlikely, yes, but if we lose the 565, all right, we are gonna trigger this bearish chart structure, suggesting a sharper pullback. Yes, there is no deny. However, if you ask me, in spite of this possibility, we are just moving sideways, all right? Right now, SPY's price is roughly at the same price it was on September 19 over here, all right? So apparently, we are just moving sideways. And you know, moves like this are quite dangerous because if you are an anxious person who rushes into the market trying to predict what's going to happen next, well, you will be very frustrated because you can't know you are in a consolidation, you are in a congestion until it is too late. That's why we have two we have two rules. Only trade when there is confirmation of a breakout, right? And second, we don't overtrade. These two things are poison to us, are poison to our account, because I'm gonna give you guys a real example over here, which may shock some of you. For instance, this one, Nvidia, all right? Nvidia is one of the stocks that is constantly on my radar, all right? I monitor Nvidia very closely every single day. And since August, in the last 2 months, how many times do you think we have traded Nvidia? All right? How many? I'm gonna tell you guys. 3 times, all right? 3 times. I've only shared 3 buy signals with our group. So now, do you think this is too few? That's too few. Oh, that's too few trades, Nathan. In 2 months, 3 times, that's too few. Guys, I'm not here to show that I work. I'm here to show results. And when do you think we bought? When do you think we bought Nvidia in the past 3 months? All right, I'm gonna give you guys one chance for each time we bought. For each time we bought, guys. The first one was here, August 5. I gave you guys a buy signal on our Telegram channel, which is there, all right? Anyone can join our Telegram channel for free for 7 days just to test our service and see for yourself. The first buy signal was here, August 5, near this bottom signal. Always buy near support levels. The second one, of course, it was right here, September 9, when it did this harami, this bullish harami candlestick pattern on the 1 hour chart. We saw this inverted head and shoulders chart pattern. This was our second buy signal. And the last one was here, right here, October 2nd over here, near the 21-day EMA. We made a bullish reaction after a pullback to our support level without ruining the bullish bias. When we bought here for the second time, our target was already the 130, all right? And then we went up, and then we did this pullback. I told you guys, pullbacks, while we are in a bull trend, are just buying opportunities. And then I gave you guys our third buy signal in the last 2 months on Nvidia, all right? And this is why I always try to teach you guys, because trading requires patience, all right? Only if you are patient, you're gonna win in this game. If you're not patient, well, this game is going to screw you a lot, all right? Simply because you gotta work with a real technique, with a good strategy, and follow your strategy very closely. If you're not capable of doing that, well, this is not gonna be a very good idea for you. And of course, you don't have to stress about the market as long as you know how to trade strategically. So join us over there, join our Telegram channel. The 5% project is always open to you. There you have access to high performance trading strategies in real time. Link in the video's description. Come and learn with us. You can download our free ebook on technical analysis, start learning, and then if you like our channel, just join us over there. On our website, you'll find the trading statistics, all right? More than 300 signals were triggered in the past 6 months. And there on our website, you can find our trading statistics. Just take a look over there. Link in the video's description, all right? Now, Nvidia, back to our analysis. Nvidia is just exploding. It is up more than 4% today, above our target. Nvidia broke our technical target at 130. Now, what's Nvidia's next technical target? 136, all right? If we lose the 130 again, all right, maybe we're gonna see a pullback, but remember, a pullback over here is not going to be a reason to panic. Just possibly another buying opportunity, all right? And this is it, a very simple situation. Tesla is trying to react above our support area, above this purple trend line, above the 21-day EMA. This is very good. Maybe the 245 is not applicable anymore over here, so I'm gonna delete this line. But if you ask me, Tesla still has a decent chance of recovering as long as we don't trigger this top signal below the 265. Okay, the situation will remain under control. Tesla is still bullish, all right? Nathan, is Tesla bullish or bearish? It is bullish right now. On the daily chart, it is bullish on the weekly chart. It is not bullish on the 1 hour chart yet, but it could be, all right? Right now, we are making a promising reaction. It does look good. It does look good. However, we gotta see a better, decent movement over here, because right now we are making a very weak candlestick pattern. We deserve to see a better, meaningful reaction, and then and only then we may see Tesla breaking the 265 resistance level, triggering a long-term bullish pivot point on the weekly chart back to the $300 again, which is going to be our next technical target if Tesla breaks the 265. AMD is on the verge of closing our gap at 174, which is a technical resistance level, all right? We are very, very close right now. We don't see any top signal, just like on Nvidia, right? We don't see any top signal over here. There is no bearish reaction. There is nothing telling us that AMD could correct from here. And even if we see a pullback, even if we see a correction, any pullback to the 162 or to the 21-day EMA could be just a harmless pullback in a bull trend, possibly another buying opportunity. Palantir is also exploding more than 6% today. This one is heading towards the all-time high. It is looking phenomenal. Here, us for Nvidia, us for AMD, any pullback to the $38 or maybe to the 21-day EMA could be just another pullback, because the trend is still very bullish. We should see a very, very powerful bearish reaction on the weekly chart in order to materialize a sharper correction over here to the $30 area. But so far, so good. We are still above our critical key support level, so it is still very bullish. Now, NIO, just like Tesla, just like other stocks, it is around our support area. We are trying to materialize a bullish reaction over here, but this alone is not convincing, all right? It is not enough to convince me, at least, that NIO is going to reverse this short-term bearish sentiment, but it is worth to keep our eyes open over here, because we are near a support level, all right? We are near the $6 area. We are above the previous top level over here at 605, and we are above the 21-day EMA. Therefore, just like I have been telling you guys, any bullish reaction around this support level could present another buying opportunity. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on this channel every single day, because here, again, you receive daily unbiased analysis on SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Tesla, AMD, Palantir, NIO, SoFi, Micron, super microcomputer, and much more. So subscribe to keep updated on what's the best regarding technical analysis, price action, and trading strategies. And remember to join the 5% project for exclusive high-performance trading strategies. You are free to try. Just take a look at our website, see if you like the service. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.